Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Cuddle Team Leader from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna draw the top part of her head from the base of the right ear. I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left, sharp turn back down, and repeat the same shape again at the side on the left right there. And I'm gonna draw some zigzag line towards the left ear. Now for her ear, I'm gonna draw a circular shape with a zigzag line at that point, and inside of that I'm gonna draw another one with a curved base like that, and we're gonna do the same shape on the right side here as well. From the base of the ear, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across for the side and the bottom of her face. And in the middle of the face, I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that, and in the side, the circular shape to the middle on both sides, and in the middle of that shape, I'm gonna draw a left symbol and a line below that in the middle, and below that I'm gonna draw a circular shape for her lower part of the mouth and another one surrounding that. For her eye, I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw an oval shape and some zigzag line at this corner, and we're gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. And some zigzag line on the top part of the eye like that, and inside of the eye I'm gonna draw a smaller oval shape, a circle at the top point and a black line in the middle. We're gonna do the same thing for the left side. Above her left eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line up to that point, a sharp turn back down right there. And below the mask, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from that point and another one on the right side and curve it out at the base. I'm gonna draw across a circular line at the base of the neck and turn it out at the side. And at the side, I'm gonna draw a strap coming down to the side of her outfit with a curved line diagonally, and another one at the outer point right there, and continue the line of the shoulder out and downwards. And from that point, I'm gonna draw another curved line out and another curved line for the inner line of the arm. At this point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line with a curved line on both sides and another curved line at the lower point right here. Below that, I'm gonna continue the line of the arm and a semicircle turn at the elbow for the outer line, back in towards the waist, and a curved line for the inner line right here. And at this point, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape like that, and I'm gonna continue the line of the arm and a semicircle line on both sides at that point, and a curved line across. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line on the top part and turn it down, and a curved line coming down. From this point, semicircle turn down and semicircle turn back towards the wrist, and at this point, a rectangular shape. In this portion right here, I'm gonna add another rectangular shape as well, and another one inside of that. At the side, I'm gonna draw a line coming down right there, and a line to the side on both the top and bottom point right there. For the side of her outfit, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line down, flare it out at the waist like that, and then for the right side, I'm gonna copy the same shape of the arm on the right side here, and on the right side of her outfit right here, I'm gonna draw a circular shape and another curved line below that, turn it in at the waist and back out, and flare it out towards the knee point, and going back to the right arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point in, and a semicircle turn at the elbow for the outer line, and across a curved line at this point, and a line down on both the top and bottom portion right there, and across a curved line towards the waist at both points here, and a rectangular shape below the wrist. Now for her belt, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape to the middle point right here, and inside of that, on the top point, the diagonal line down, across a straight line, diagonal turn back up. Mirror that on the bottom section right here, and at the side of the buckle, we're gonna draw another rectangular shape also on the right side, and a line for the top of the belt across to the side, and another one at the lower point right here. Above the belt, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line up, semicircle turn at the top, across the top portion right there, turn it back down on the right side and down. Continue that on the lower part of the belt, and turn it with a semicircle turn at the bottom point right there. We're gonna trace the same shape along the inner part of that shape, and around her tummy, I'm gonna draw a heart shape, but I'm gonna leave a gap at the top. and we're gonna make some zigzag line from the side here downwards, sharp turn back up, and trace the same zigzag line to the other side. Now on the left side, I'm gonna draw a similar shape of the hips, flare it out towards this point on the left, a semicircle line at the side, across with a curved line, and a semicircle line at that point, turn it up. At the middle point of the legs, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. I'm gonna draw a strap on the left leg with a curved line at this point, and a line on both sides on the left and right there, and below that a curved line down, semicircle turn at the bottom across a curved line, and the same on the right side. I'm gonna draw another strap at the lower point and a line on both sides. Below that, a semicircle line at the side, turn it down towards the knee, turn it in slightly, and flare it out at the knee here, and back in, and flare it out again below the knee, and a curved line on both sides below that, across the curved line in the middle point right there, now for her boots, I'm gonna draw a circle in the middle and a teardrop shape at the side, and another one inside of that, and copy that on the right side. For the shape of the boots, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point down, turn it inwards towards the ankle, and a semicircle line at the sides right there, and flare it out below that slightly, and a semicircle turn at both sides, and a line across at the bottom point. Now for the knots, I'm gonna draw zigzag knots across the front portion of the boots from the top to the bottom point. And for the base of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a line down on both sides, and a curved line across at the bottom, turn it up, across, turn it back down, and across, and repeat the same shape along the base of the shoe. Now on the right side of the leg, I'm gonna continue this line, and right above the knee, I'm gonna stop and draw a semicircle line on the sides, across a curved line, semicircle line at the inner line, and turn it upward. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line down at the front and the back, and turn it inwards at that point, and back down, and back out, and down, and to the front, to the knee pad. Now for the knee pad, I'm going to draw across a curved line at the top, a line down at the side, and back to the front at the low point like there. A diagonal turn at that point, and diagonal turn back into the top point. We're going to trace the same outline at this top line and the side line here. At the back, I'm going to draw a curved line here, and below the strap, I'm going to draw a curved line and a curved line at the front. And for the lower leg, I'm going to draw another pad below the knee pad, cross the curved line right there, turn it downwards at the outer point and the inner point diagonally to the front. Turn it down, and I'm going to draw a strap at that point across. Continue the line of the pad downwards, and another curve line right there for the strap, and another one below that. Continue the line of the pad all the way down to the ankle point, flare it slightly out, turn it in, and diagonal turn down. And I'm gonna turn it back to the back with the diagonal line, turn it up, and continue back to the strap. Now at the back, I'm gonna draw a curve line right there, and another curve line at this point. The line of the boots, we're gonna do a similar shape as the left boots. At the ankle point, we're gonna draw a semicircle line right there, a curve line down, and for the front part, curve line diagonally to the front, semicircle turn at the front tip downwards, and a curve line from the back to the front. And on both sides, a line down, and we're gonna draw a similar pattern for the base. In the middle point here, and turn it up, across, back down, and repeat the same patterns of the base again at the top, at the front part right there. And I'm gonna add the crisscross knots at this point as well. From the left shoulder, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out, a triangle niche at that corner, continue the diagonal line out, and turn it downwards. And on the side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out from this point down, turn it down, triangular niche, and back down, and to diagonal turn back towards the body. And I'm gonna add a curved line surrounding the neck at this point.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.